In this video, I'm showing you how to use leftover triangles and turn them into this adorable pillow top. Spoiler alert, you won't be sewing half square triangles. Hey there, it's Nadra from Allison Higgs. On my channel, I'm sharing tips, tricks, and how-tos that will help you on your journey to making quilts. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out all the links in the description box below. Have you ever wondered what to do with all those leftover triangles from your quilting projects? It would definitely be a waste to throw them all away. You can just use them for another project. Today I will be showing you how to use up your leftover triangles and turn them into a cute quilt or pillow top using the slightly modified quilt as you go method. Let's get right into it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want exclusive content that I only share with subscribers, head over to AllisonHiggs.com and sign up for my newsletter. It's free. In my next tutorial, which is part 2 of the video series, I will be showing you how to make an envelope pillow backing. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.